welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Des, and please subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and please share to your friends and family if they haven't subscribed, or turn that notification bell on yet, and please hit that like button. So today I'm going to be opening this Surprise 2-in-1 surprise, and this is series 2. So basically, we're gonna balloon unboxing, which has confetti inside, where I reviewed, and fashions, clip-on pom-pom, surprise, and soft fashion doll. 2-in-1 fashion doll plus pom-pom, plush pom-pom. So yeah, I know there's tape everywhere, and this is what it looks like on the front to the back. It looks like a suitcase to me. I don't know, but yeah. There's something on the bottom that I noticed earlier, and I'm not gonna pull it out. So of course we're gonna take off the tape, and yeah, I just took it off. So basically it says here, push here to open. I know you guys can't see it because small prints. That's why they said it there. It's weak. And yeah, we're gonna break it. Oh my gosh. Ow. But there we go. Now I know why. There we go. And of course the instructions. And yes, that's all inside. Okay, so first I need to open the instructions since... Why are there two? Oh, this is not English. Where is English? I need to know. Okay, here's English. There are 4 languages here, and also there are 2 contents here. So no, that's the other side. So so there is supposed to be a straw in here. And yes, my instructions feel why. But first, let's take this part off, and yes. So where's my straw? So first we gotta find my straw. And yes, the confetti started to come out. And yep, where's my straw? Wait a minute. Okay guys, so double checking, and yep, I found my straw. It was on, of course, this luggage bag thingamajiggy that we're gonna supposed to be blowing in. This is gonna be like a balloon. It's gonna make a mess, but yeah, it's not gonna be fun when we're gonna clean it later, but it's going to be fun while it lasts. What the heck? Wait. So guys, I needed a little help. So that's what I meant by mess. And yes, there's more. There's still more in there, but wait. So next is 3, gently remove the protective sticker. I already did that. And gently squeeze the bag for confetti. Tear open the bag to remove doll and accessories, then discard the bag and strap. Yeah, we're not gonna need that. Now we're just gonna open it up with some scissors. I don't want to cut the cat ears. They're too cute. But yes, we're gonna cut them. So, and then yes. And yes, my table is full of confetti. Okay, I got a cat. Is that all? Okay, goodbye. So, quick start. It says remove the doll from the keychain palm. And tear open the ploy bags to reveal your outfit and shoes. And yes, we don't need to know everything about it. And yes, I'm gonna throw the instructions away later. Yeah. I want to open this first. And also, it's a keychain. I'll hang this on my bag when school starts. Yeah. My school starts soon though. Yeah. Online classes. So, first of all, now I can't get this thing out. Okay, there we go. Seriously. More tape? Okay. I don't want any more tape. And why is there a plastic here? I'm just gonna leave it there. First, we're gonna take out the tape. This thing surprised me. Yes. My gosh. So, she has purple braids. A cute beanie. And yes, I know what this is. Of course. It's a little na surprise. What's it called? Her name tag? I don't know. So, Tuesday Meow. I think that's her name. Is it? So, birthday October 31st. I want to stay home and not do things. I want to stay. Okay, I can stay home. I think you guys don't know about this, but she looks like Jade from Victorious. I know I'm late on watching Netflix videos because I just realized that I like it. And I want to hang this on my bag, even though I don't have a bag because I had school on Friday and I can't go out because of the pandemic this year. And yeah, I can't do anything about this. Even though I want to hang it on my bag, I can just hang it on my ID. So we're gonna check the checklist later because I don't want to see the dress. So let's go small to big. So let's open this. Yeah. Oh my gosh, these are her boots. Oh. Her boots! Her boots are purple. Please tell me they have signs that this is left and right. Even though it doesn't have, okay. So basically, she has purple and black hair. And she has like the same cat ears as the cat. And cat socks! Oh my gosh. Cat. Reminds me of Cat from Victorious, but yeah, aka Ariana Grande. And also the confetti is still on my table. And what do you know? I didn't see a tear strip there. Oh my gosh! I saw her shirt or dress. I don't know. Oh my gosh! So cute! Musical. Why did I just made a cat pun? I don't know. Now how are we gonna put it on her? I'm just gonna try to put it on her if I can. So it goes all the way, so I don't have to problem. Really? So this is gonna be a little harder. Never mind. Also, her head turns. So we're just gonna keep on trying to put this on Jade, even though I like to call it Jade because she looks like Jade. Comment what grade are you going into, because I'm going to grade 5 now. Yeah. And yes, I can't get her dress. Oh, why does this look so tight? I'm just gonna try my best to fit it on her. Oh my gosh! It looks adorable! I want to squeeze it, but I can't because of her. Ow. Just cracked my thumb. So we're gonna put on her boots. Oh my gosh. Cutie. Okay. I know she can't stand, but this is what she looks like. Now we're gonna open the guide. Someone opened it, but I told her not to open it. Her name is Tuesday Meow. Her name is really Tuesday Meow. Wait a minute. There's a symbol on here. It has the same symbol. At the box, it has a moon. Okay, just throwing things now. And here, it also has a moon. What a coincidence. Now you know who are you getting. And also there are boys. So I think this is the identity if you're getting like rainbows, I don't know what that is. Animal sleepover, I don't know, or maybe night. Looks like a sign. Yay. So na surprise. Okay. So basically, yeah, I gotta clean this up later. Just wanna. So guys, basically that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family if they haven't subscribed, or turn that notification bell on yet. Love you guys. See you on my next video. Bye. Be safe from this pandemic. Yeah. I gave you my heart.